got this DeLonghi magnifica. It just had a leak, and I just replaced the valve where it was leaking, and it seems to be working now. The customer didn't want a tune-up on the machine, so I've just left it as is. And I'll just brew a shot just to show you that there's no leaking or anything, and the machine is brewing coffee. So let's just do a single. Alright, so there you have it. Here's a nice shot of espresso, everything's working. So if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks so much.